All right, so no introduction, but Tom gave me an introduction, so we'll just sit on the slide sort of awkwardly for 15 seconds and then move to the next one. So anyway, I'm talking about cloud-native technologies, sort of, so we'll get to that in a moment. All right, so what are cloud-native technologies? So I imagine a number of folks have heard of this thing called the CNCF. It's part of the Linux Foundation. They sort of foster and shepherd projects in the cloud-native space. And it turns out they foster a lot of projects. If you've ever gone to their website and you see this obnoxious thing that an engineer is supposed to make sense of and cobble together parts into something useful. Over 1,200 projects, about $60 billion in funding, so this is serious business stuff, and that's where the seriousness ends in this talk. Would it be a damn talk without a rant about utilization and software performance? This thing totally brought my browser to its knees just opening it and looking at it, over a gig of RAM. So it's ridiculous, and these project names are ridiculous, right? Noms, Worth, my favorite, Shifu, right? So some weird names there in the open source space, but that's not uncommon, right? So what else is ridiculous? Our Pokemon names, right? Buzzwole, Jigglypuff, my spirit Pokemon, Snorlax, right? So what we're going to do tonight, some of you might know where this is going, we're going to play a game. Inspired by programming language inventor or serial killer and Pokemon or big data, we're going to play Cloud Native Project or Pokemon tonight. So with that, oh, somebody's excited, that's one. Go ahead and open up your envelopes. You will find 2 cards in your envelope. One that says Cloud Native Foundation, one that says Pokemon, and something else because I'm not above bribing my audience. So, you're welcome. So how this is going to work, I give you a name like Kubernetes. I say, is this a project or a Pokemon? And you raise what you think it is, get them up. Cloud Native, it is a Cloud Native project. So that was question 0, we're starting for real now. Tetragon. Is it a Cloud Native Security Appliance framework or an ICE-type Pokemon? What do you think? Pokemon. It is a project. Man, look at all those failures. It is a... All right. Falco. Is this a Cloud Native Security Framework or a Gen 4 normal Pokemon? Oh, it is a project. 0 for 2 grind rolls. Meowstick. App definition framework or Gen 6 psychic type Pokemon? It may also be that. It is a Pokemon. All right. Dragonfly. Cloud provisioning or Gen 4 bug type Pokemon? What do we think? Ooh, I see a lot of correct answers this time. That is a Cloud Native project. All right, question 5, Volcarona, scheduling framework or Gen 5 bug type Pokemon? Oh, Moles is getting killed tonight. All right, Squash. Again, image build project or fairy type Pokemon, what do we think? Ooh, it's almost unanimous this time, I think. Yeah, everybody pat on the back. Octillery. Provisioning framework or Gen 2 water type? What do we think? Oh, I see a lot of Pokemon. You would be right. There you go, that's right. Roggenrola. Image build project or Gen 5 stone type? What do we think? Oh, mixed audience. It is a Pokemon. There you go. All right. Raboot. Provisioning framework. Gen 8 fire type. What do we think? Both rabbits. Oh, it is a new Pokemon. Gen 8. People sleep out there. All right. Last question. Headlamp. Monitoring project or ghost type Pokemon? What do we think? That is a project. The worst project logo I've seen. So, All right, well, with that, that's it. You know, anybody get 10 out of 10? 9 out of 10? You're lying. I don't believe you. But thank you for playing. If you did win, it's open bar until 8. It's only 8, so done by 8. Thank you.
Thank you.